Hey there, this is Niels Beardfoot, and today I want to show you some 3D techniques with leather. Starting with something simple first, like these hearts, to get to show the technique as it works. First you need to know what you want to do, draw it, and then think about what areas should be higher and lower, and draw the different layers that you need on leather. After transferring, you want to cut them out and glue them together. Then you can start shaping. You can use bevelers, small knives, big knives, and sandpaper to get the desired shape. And note that later on you still can adjust this base piece. Next, for the top coat, you want to get some thin leather, or at least thin it out at the desired area. Moisten it and then use your fingers and other tools to shape the top piece around the base piece. While drying, you may have to repeat this multiple times to make sure that the shape is maintained. And this is basically how you do it. And then you can glue in the base piece and you're done. For the corpse, I also transfer the first layer of the base piece on leather, as well as the second layer on top of it. For the second layer, I transferred all of the muscles like the shoulders, the pecs and the belly. Since this is a special 3D leather piece, I also have the spine on the very base piece. And on the second layer there are also the ribs. Again, since the base piece most people don't see, you still can adjust it even afterwards after you put on the top piece. Sculpting and shaping is next. Use again any kind of knives, bevelers to get the shape, and then put on the moist top piece and use a bone folder to get it all in the corners of the base piece. On this piece I now cut away the open part in the chest and bend the edges outwards. When you're satisfied with the shape, give it some paint and then you're basically done. So here we got 3 layers: the very bottom piece with the ribs at the back of the back, and then the base piece and the skin on top. And then you can glue it together and use it wherever you wanna use it. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Leave the usual YouTube stuff and see you guys next time. Have a great day.